Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this compound shape that consists of multiple triangles, as you can see in this figure, such that these side lengths AB, this side length BC, and this side length BD are equal in length, and moreover this angle ABP is 66 degrees. And now we are going to calculate this angle X. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. So before we proceed, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. And one more thing, we do not assume that these two angles B and C are 90 degrees. And here's our very first step. Let's assume that this angle BCP, I am going to call this angle alpha. Then this angle BCD is going to be X plus alpha. And now let's focus on this triangle BCD, and this is an isosceles triangle since this side length BC is equal to this side length BD. So therefore, if this angle is X plus alpha, then this angle is going to be X plus alpha as well. And now let's focus on this triangle ABC, and we can see that this is an isosceles triangle as well, since this side length AB is equal to this side length BC. So therefore, if this angle is alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. And here's our next step. Let's recall exterior angle property. And here's our exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. In our case, this X is our exterior angle, and that is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles alpha and beta. And now let's focus on this triangle ABP, our exterior angle. This exterior angle is going to be the sum of these two opposite interior angles. So therefore, this angle is going to become alpha plus 66 degrees. And let me go ahead and call this as an equation number 1. And now let's focus on this triangle DPC, and we can see that our exterior angle for this triangle is going to be this angle as well, which is BPC. And this angle is going to be equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angle X and this angle X plus alpha. So therefore, our this exterior angle this time is going to be this X and plus this X plus alpha. So I can write X plus alpha. So X plus X is going to give us 2X plus alpha. And no wonder I wrote down this one as angle BPC equals to 2x plus alpha. And let me go ahead and call this equation as number 2. And now let's go ahead and compare these equations 1 and 2. Since the left hand side is same, so we can equate these right hand side as well. So therefore, I can write 2x plus alpha equals to alpha plus 66 degrees. So we ended up with 2x equal to 66 degrees. Let's divide both sides by 2. That means our x value turns out to be simply 33 degrees. So thus our angle X turns out to be 33 degrees. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.